Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need the app installed and a connected controller before we begin. Plug in via USB-C or pair over Bluetooth. Make sure the controller shows as connected in Windows. Open the Xbox Accessories app and sign in with your Microsoft account so profiles and firmware access sync. Once done, the app will scan for attached devices automatically. If it doesn't, click the device icon. You're ready to move into configuration. Don't skip firmware checks. Once the controller appears, check firmware immediately and update if the app prompts you. Updates fix stability and add features. After firmware, open the Configuration tab to remap buttons, swap triggers, and adjust stick sensitivity. You'll see live input so you can test changes. Create named profiles for different games and save them either to the controller or locally. Make sure to label them clearly. When satisfied, test in a game to confirm inputs behave as expected before proceeding. Finally, assign profiles to specific games or use quick change bindings so you switch setups on the fly. Export profiles to a file for backup or transfer to another PC. Import when needed. If things go wrong, restart the app and repair the controller first. If that fails, try updating or reinstalling the Xbox controller drivers in Device Manager. And remember, firmware failures are rare, but if an update stalls, reconnect via USB and retry to recover the controller.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.